Welcome back to Korean class. I'm In-young Park, your Korean teacher. So today is the day of starting Unit 21. Unit 21, we will learn about how to describe things in a sentence. So this is our topic sentence. 소라 씨는 귀여운 사람이에요. 소라 is a person's name, especially a woman. 소라 is a cute person. 귀여운 사람. So we like you see, 귀엽다, cute, and 사람 was combined. So like this, we will learn about how to describe one's appearance based on the vocabularies. So as always, we have number one, 어휘, vocabularies, especially regarding colors. 색깔, 색깔. Number two, based on what we've learned from number one, we will talk about vocabulary practice. Number three, we have grammar point. The first grammar point about 히읗 불규칙. 불규칙 means irregular. So when you have adjective with 히읗 final consonant, it must be changed with certain form. So we will study about it. Number four, speaking practice. Number five, we have another grammar point. A adjective, or n, and noun. So like 귀엽다, cute, and person. This is the exact example of this grammar point. First, we have adjective, 귀엽다, and then person as a noun, so cute person. So this time, we don't say 귀엽다 사람. So this is there is a certain rule. That was number five, 문법 2. And number 6 of 2.8 is about speaking practice. So this is it hour for table of contents 21 unit. So let's get started. I want to introduce vocabularies regarding colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue color. How can we say in Korean? First, red. We have two ways. 빨간색 or 빨강. So 색 stands for color. So red color, orange color, 색. So yellow color. If you don't want to put 색, you can say 빨강. 빨강. However, at that time, we have to put 이응 as final consonant, not 미은. 빨간색 and 빨강. 빨강. Next one, orange. 주황색. Orange color, 주황색. If you don't want to say 색, then just please say 주황, 주황. Next one is yellow. Yellow color, 노란색, 노란색. However, when it can be exist as solely 노랑, 노랑. Green, 초록색, 초록색. Or sometimes we say 녹색. 녹색. Blue, 파란색, 파란색, or 파랑, 파랑. That was color. Next one, we have indigo blue, 남색, 남색. But we don't use 남 as a one syllable. So we must put 색 for indigo blue. 남색, 남색. Next one, violet or purple, 보라색, 보라색, or 보라, 보라. Next one, brown, 갈색, 갈색. So same as 남색, we don't say 갈. We must put 색 for brown color. 갈색, 갈색. Next one is sky blue. So unlike just blue, sky blue is a little bit lighter. So 하늘색, 하늘색. So 하늘 means sky. So it's kind of same concept. Sky blue, 하늘색, 하늘색. Next one, white. 흰색 or 하얀색. 흰색, 하얀색. So let's check the vocabularies and its pronunciation one more time. 빨간색, 빨강. 주황색, 주황. 노란색, 노랑. 초록색 or 녹색. 파란색, 파랑. Next session. 남색, 남색. 보라색, 보라색, or 보라, 보라. Brown, 갈색, 갈색. Next one, 하늘색, 하늘색. Finally, 흰색 or 하얀색. So 흰 is a one syllable. Can be a little bit difficult pronunciation. 흰색, because we have 으 and 이 together. And then 하얀색, 하얀색. Okay, this is it for pretty much it. And we have a rainbow in the picture. Rainbow in Korean language is 무지개, 무지개. Rainbow has a lot of colors, so let's take a look and let's fill in the blank. So first, we have 빨간색, 빨간색, red. Next one, 주황색, 주황색. So here the first line is 빨간색, second line is 주황색, the third line is 노란색, 노란색. Next one we have 초록색, 초록색, green. Next one 파란색, 파란색 for blue, 파란색. And then just sky. So because we have sky, let's just put the sky blue. Sky blue color, 하늘색, 하늘색. Next one, indigo, 남색, 남색. Purple, 보라색, 보라색. Okay, that was colors. So we can just take the first letter. So we can just smoothly, faster, we can speedy say 빨주노 and 초, 파남보. So when we are younger, we learn like this. But not saying like 빨간색, 주황색 all the time because it becomes very longer. So 빨주노초, 파남보. Maybe it will be also helpful for your Korean language study. So finally, we have cloud. So cloud color is 하얀색 or 흰색. 하얀색, 흰색. That was color based on the rainbow. Okay, then let's review the colors and check the pronunciation one more time. From the beginning, we have 빨간색 or 빨강. 빨간색, 빨강. 주황색 or 주황. 주황색, 주황. 노란색, 노랑. 노란색, 노랑. 초록색 or 녹색. 초록색, 녹색. 파란색 or 파랑. 파란색 or 파랑. Let's move on. Next one is 남색. 남색. And 보라색. 보라색. 갈색. 갈색. 하늘색. 하늘색. 하얀색 or 흰색. 흰색 and 하얀색. That was most commonly used colors in any culture. So next time we will learn about the vocabularies plus and then the most importantly grammar point. So thank you for listening. I will see you next time.